But dark force theory explains that, like, no, smart aliens exist and they intentionally stay hidden.
So what
Like,
is? Go
but
ahead.
the fact here is almost like three body problem. She was trying to do something broadcasting that we exist to where, like, Elon Musk and people's like, we should be careful
I
because
see.
we
Yes.
don't want aliens to know we exist.
Yes.
Because we could be like a threat.
Yeah, we
like
don't know
we
what
got
we're
resources.
almost like playing with a Ouija board. We don't know what we're
Yeah.
inviting in.
Yeah, you're inviting
Wow.
you're inviting an alien to your home thinking they have the best of intentions. And
Yeah,
three
it's a good
body
point. It's a good
three
point. It's a
body
good point.
problem is the most clever like novel series that, but it plays like dark force theory is something you should look into because that's a huge like theory in like and
We're
yeah.
gonna make a note of dark force theory. What's the next question I asked? Since you're close.
How is HAARP being used today? So HAARP is currently, and the cutoff is 2023. That's relevant enough. Recent research includes studying the effects of solar storms on Earth's magnetic field and testing new techniques for improving radio communication during extreme weather events. The facility also collaborates with scientists worldwide conducting experiments that can inform broader space research to do, including space. So they do shit that connects them to every agency that is like cares
So why would
about like
what is
forward thing.
what is the argument for electrifying the ionosphere? Mikey.
I actually know the argument.
Yeah.
Technically, years ago, I saw that the argument in a news article. I can check it up. I'll look it up.
No, you keep talking now,
But-
and I can take over.
Well, I was gonna say
Pull that
that.
shit up,
Well,
man.
I had something else I was gonna look up too. Stay on this, because one of the initial thing I had heard was that they were electrifying. That they admitted that they were spraying aerosols because it was all over the quote chemtrail debate, and NASA admitted that they were spraying aerosols to electrify the ionosphere for missile defense, to better assist our equipment and things such as that. Our all
So
of
that
our
in theory,
so that we can
they would
if it's,
bounce.
exactly
They
you
would
could
bounce
our
radar
technology
off the top.
of it.
And it
Better
would
communicate.
feed back and allow
So
you to
I'm
see.
about to ask it.
Yes.
What
Yes.
is the reason for ionifying the electrifying the ionosphere? But then I said, and what are 10 risks or unplanned consequences? Just to see what it says, because I feel like that's the reason we talk about it, right?
Yes.
So
You said, or you asked the consequences?
I'm telling us explain what it is, and then tell me.
Okay, go ahead.
10.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying? And this isn't the bet, but this is, it's a good enough model, but. So it explains it. Electrifying the ionosphere is done in HAARP experiments involves using high frequency radio waves to stimulate or interact with the ionosphere. So it gets in. We asked it to explain it. I should have said summarize it. But so here's potential risks or unplanned consequences. Number one, unintended effects on the ionosphere. Manipulating the ionosphere might cause unpredictable changes, potentially
Weather
lead
patterns.
to temporary disruptions in communication or navigation systems, interference with natural weather patterns. Although there's no proven link between them and weather modification, altering the ionosphere could theoretically have indirect